headlines. Coronavirus death toll passes 1,523 in mainland China. Youth involved in attempted rape and assault of women remanded to judicial custody. And 10,000 pieces of WY tablet seized from passenger van on Imphal More Road. Hello, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. The death toll from a strain of coronavirus, also known as COVID-19 in mainland China, has passed 1,523 and infected more than 66,000 people globally after health authorities reported another 143 deaths early on Saturday morning, as per media reports. That increase saw the total reach 1,523 deaths. Authorities also said the latest 2,641 daily new cases of the virus represented a major drop, and due to the widespread implementation a new diagnostic method. Hubei province, where the outbreak is believed to have originated, now includes cases based on a physician's diagnosis before they have been confirmed by lab tests. The total number of confirmed cases in the country now stands at 66,492, according to China's National Health Commission. The total includes more than 1,700 medical workers, a senior Chinese official announced. 6 of the workers have died, Zhang Yizin, vice director of the National Health Commission, said. Medical workers account for about 3.8% of confirmed cases, Mr. Zhang added. Meanwhile, the Indian Embassy in Japan today said it is making efforts to disembark all the Indians on board the cruise ship moored off the Japanese coast after the end of the quarantine period, as authorities confirmed that 218 people, including 3 Indians, have been infected with coronavirus on the ship. A total of 138 Indians, including 132 crew and 6 passengers, were among the 3,711 people on board the quarantined ship that arrived at the Japanese coast earlier this month. The U.S. State Department will evacuate some American citizens and their families aboard the Diamond Princess cruise ship, the biggest cluster of coronavirus infections outside China, a reliable source informed yesterday. About 380 people will be evacuated on 2 flights from Japan back to the United States. The source also added the evacuees will arrive in the United States tomorrow. The Diamond Princess cruise ship, owned by Carnival Corp, has been quarantined since arriving in Yokohama, Japan on February 3rd, with 3,500 passengers and crew on board, of whom 218 have tested positive for the coronavirus infection. Laishram Anand, aged 22 years, of Herokpat, 2nd Mayalekai, who is involved in the attempted rape and assault of a 46-year-old woman on 3rd of February at Charangpat of Thoubal district, has been remanded to judicial custody by the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, Thoubal, yesterday. Anand was arrested by police in the intervening night of February 9 and 10 last, and since then had been in the custody of Thoubal Women Police. A large number of Joint Action Committee members and women folk gathered outside the Thoubal CJM court yesterday, demanding death penalty for Anand. They also chanted slogans against the incident. A team of More Commando recovered 10,000 pieces of WY tablet from a passenger eco van at K. Zaumunom near Khudengthambi along the Imphal More highway during routine checking around 4 p.m., a police report said today. The van, with registration number MN04P 2129, was heading towards Imphal from More. However, one of the passengers, suspected to be a drug peddler, managed to escape. The seized contraband items were later handed over to More police station for investigation. Tengnoupal District Police, backed by NAB and 8th Manipur Rifles, has started a 6-day continuous drive against illegal poppy plantation at various places within Machi police station from yesterday. As a part of the drive, a combined team destroyed around 17 acres of illegal poppy plantations at Hairok village hill range. A combined team of Thoubal District Police, Thoubal Commando and Lilong Police seized 420 illegal cough syrup bottles from a house located at Lilong Turel Ahanbi, Boroi Mokhong during a raid last night. However, the alleged drug peddler Muhammad Zakir, aged about 22 years, son of Muhammad Sanayai, managed to escape, taking advantage of the darkness. A regular case has been registered at Lilong Police Station for further investigation, a police report said today. A team comprising of Nambol MLA and Lokin, Director of Directorate Education S. T.H. Kiran Kumar, ZDO Bishnupur and Tikendrajit, Laimapokpam Zilla Parishad member L. Jiten Mite, along with office bearers of School Management Committee, today inspected Laimapokpam Public High School. The state government has selected the school for School Fagatansi mission. The team inspected developmental activities being taken up by the School Management Committee in the school. Talking to media, T.H. Kiran Kumar said the School Fagatansi mission will transform education system in Manipur.
School Fagatansi mission gi makada paikatpa khoi gi school humpu amadi atopa wabagai jawi humpu ma thoi haitara hai school kaisi akoi gi magi progress adagi di hanaki financial year manung jida kayam sanga ba yaba thabak singji kayam soire soide adagidi kadai da huji koi midterm course correction koi semdok pa yage angang gi enrollment gi kari phiom lai ge oja nungsa koi gi phajana karabra phajana functional loirabra habdu gi yeng wala pani aduna school si huji pagi progress am phajana lai eng khali aduga march pau manung gi sanga bangam godau male koi building amadi infrastructure je aduga satra budi huji tammi march loisala ko swai dadi magi lebam thokpa infrastructure fan karikra loina mag yawra anga ngai je adugi nungai baduri soidam gi phangani na mai thamjak.
Under the aegis of District Administration, Thoubal Ministry of Women and Child Development, the Rising Union Club and Popular Youth Club, Khangabok jointly organized an awareness program on One-Stop Center at the Khangabok Part 3 Makhalekai Community Hall today. The program was held with an objective to spread awareness among the women in the area on safeguarding themselves from heinous crimes. The new incarnation drug de-addiction cum rehabilitation center at Kalinagar in Juribans district was founded under the registered voluntary agency Youth Development Organization at Sagolban Tera Bazar on March 1st, 2002. The center, which is running under the sponsorship of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, New Delhi, has been rigorously working towards the fight against drug menace. The center, which houses 50 inmates, has around 18 staff members, including a medical officer, senior counselor, yoga therapist counselor, social workers, nurses, ward boys, HIV field workers, etc. Project coordinator of IRCA, S. Jiten Singh, told TOMTV that it is very unfortunate that the state has failed to formulate a drug policy till date. He said the neighboring state of Mizoram has a state drug policy 2016. Senior Councillor of IRCA, E. Sanathoiba Singh, said that the centre is facing a problem due to increasing number of drug users in Juribam district.
IAC project coordinator of NIC and Thamjaning Wafandi, Nisa Saba, high issue asi demand Krapiraga, dialogue Toguna, issue she shop to we are with the Maram Webana. High Balayong as the Tungi Miron Sing. The
46th Kabi Youth Festival will begin at Taralangso on the outskirts of Diffu from today and will end on Wednesday. The Kabi Youth Festival is the oldest, largest, most colorful and pulsating youth festival of Assam. With an aim to propagate the rich cultural identity of the Karbi community, KYF showcased the ethnic diversity of the community during the celebrations. According to reports, the festival began in the early 80s, and since the KYF has shown the path for other ethnic tribes to preserve and propagate their cultural identities. On the eve of the function yesterday, a local youth club, Lightning Sports Club, distributed bamboo wicker waste baskets, eco-friendly dustbins with an aim to keep the surroundings clean during the 5-day festival. Now we have the sports news. Indigenous Martial Art Academy under the aegis of Apunba Manipur Huyen Lanlong Loop kick-started at traditional Thangta training program at Institute of Rural Education IRE Wangjing yesterday. Principal of IRE Wangjing Naringbam Rajiv Kumar, Finance Secretary IMMAA Baby Rani and Secretary IMMAA CH Ranbir were present during the opening function. CH Ranbir spoke about Thangta, which literally means sword and spear. It is a traditional martial art of Manipur and is one aspect of Huyen Langlong, art of war or method of safeguarding. Manchester City have been banned from the Champions League in 2020-21 and 2021-22 by the UEFA for serious breaches of financial regulations. As per media reports, the English Premier League champions have also been fined €30 million by UEFA over serious breaches of financial fair play regulations. UEFA's club financial control body founder Manchester City guilty of falsely inflating sponsorship revenues when submitting evidence for the FFP compliance process. Now the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Open to talks with militant groups, says Governor. CM tables deficit budget for 2020-21. Imphal Free Press. CM tables 2021 budget estimates of over Rs 20,000 crore. The People's Chronicle. Government will protect interests of indigents, says Dr. Habdullah. Budget not magic pill for our problems, says CM.
Now before we wrap up the top news headlines once again. Coronavirus death toll passes 1,523 in mainland China. Youth involved in attempted rape and assault of women remanded to judicial custody. And 10,000 pieces of WY tablets seized from passenger van on Imphal More Road. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates later on the day.